Hi, my name is Kevin Zari and I am super excited to be part of the Fabulous 7 with Skin Nutrition. I myself have been a user for Skin Nutrition for the last 2-3 years, all by myself. And I know that I am not really a guy that takes that much care about his face, but I do use the Skin Nutrition facial cleanser twice a day. And since I do a lot of work in front of my laptop and I'm getting older, I get my eye bags in the morning, I use the Skin Nutrition eye serum as well, twice a day. And the reason why I love the products is because they're very natural, made of berries and fruits and all that good stuff. And the texture is really natural as well. So I highly recommend Skin Nutrition products just about anybody out there as well. And I am really excited as well about Wayne International embarking on this CSR initiative in conjunction with their 7-year anniversary in collaboration with the Malaysia Nature Society, so that you all out there can get slimming treatments, and all the money that you pay, that 7 ringgit, can be used for some good, to help slow down global warming, to preserve our environment. So guys, go out there, ring up Busybody, get that slimming center session in there, do some good for yourself and the environment.